Hi, I'm Brianna, a lash educator and business coach dedicated to helping lash artists like you step into your potential and build a thriving career. Whether you're here to elevate your skills, start educating, or scale your business to six figures, this is the space where we dive into strategies, share real stories, and give you actionable steps to grow. Let's redefine what's possible for your lash business together.
If you're listening to this as a lash student or someone at the very beginning of your lash journey, I want you to take a breath with me, because starting a new year can feel exciting and quietly overwhelming at the same time. There's this pressure to do more, move faster, have it all figured out. But I want to reframe this for you. This year isn't about rushing. It's about setting yourself up properly. So this time next year, you're not just trying, you're earning, confident, and established. So if you're somewhere quiet right now, I'd love you to grab a notebook or open your notes app, because I'm going to walk you through a few things you can actually do as you listen. Nothing intense, nothing complicated, just intentional. Let's start here. Write this down. I am using this year to build, not rush. That sentence alone takes so much pressure off, because being a lash student isn't a small phase. It's the foundation of your business. Now, the biggest mistake I see new lash artists make is thinking that once they learn the skill, everything else will just fall into place. Clients will come, confidence will come, money will come. And the truth is, skill is important, but structure is what makes things sustainable. So here's your first prompt. Write this heading down. What does my 2026 business look like? Don't overthink it. Underneath it, answer these three things. How many days a week do I want to work? How do I want my clients to feel when they sit in my chair? What does earning actually mean to me? Is it extra income, replacing a job, full-time freedom? This isn't about being locked into answers. It's about giving your learning direction. Now let's talk about this year, because this is your practice year. This is the year you build your techniques steadily, learn how pricing works, understand client flow, learn how to show up consistently, even when you're still learning. So I want you to write another heading, my focus for this year. Under that, write just 3 words or short phrases, not 10 goals, not a massive to-do list, just 3 things you're committing to learning properly. Maybe it's lash retention, client experience, business basics. Simple is powerful. Now here's something really important. You don't need to look like a finished business yet. You don't need a perfect logo. You don't need to be booked out. You don't need to compare yourself to artists who are years ahead. What you do need is consistency. So write this one down. Consistency over perfection. Because the artists who are earning confidently in 2026 aren't the ones who rushed. They're the ones who stayed steady. Let's ground this in reality for a moment. This time next year, imagine where you want to be, not vaguely, clearly. Maybe you're taking paying clients confidently, charging without apologizing, understanding how your business actually works, feeling calm instead of chaotic. That version of you doesn't come from pressure. She comes from preparation. So here's your final exercise for today. Write this question down and answer it honestly. What is one thing I can start doing this month that supports my future business? Not everything, just one thing. And once you have that, that's your focus. You don't need to do more. You just need to do that consistently. If you're starting this year as a lash student, you're exactly where you're meant to be. This year is about learning, building, and laying foundations that last. And when you look back on this episode in 12 months, I want you to be able to say, I didn't rush it, I built it. You've got time, you've got support, and you're more capable than you think. I'll see you in the next episode.
That's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're walking away with new insights and inspiration to take the next step in your journey. If you found this episode helpful, I'd love for you to share it with a fellow lash artist or tag me on Instagram with your biggest takeaway. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep building your dream business. I'm here cheering you on every step of the way.